Hello everybody, my name is Abeditas Capital. I hope you're doing all right. So next week we have Christmas. I hope that you can enjoy the time with your family and your friends. So I'm very gladful and thankful to say that this is I think it's now my sixth market review. So I've been doing over the last 6 weeks, every week one market review. I decided to put a bit of music in the background because I think this gives me a better atmosphere to trade this market, or to trade the markets in general. So today I will go over my thoughts about the market, what I'm thinking now, and where we are heading over the next week. So what are my thoughts, and also what trades I have currently, or on what trades I'm currently on, and what trades I would like to position myself in the course of the next week. So let's start with Bitcoin. Higher time frame. Where are we now standing? So we came here to this range highs of this 2022 range from January till May. So here you can see this was a pivotal level on the last range. So here we had the wicks above the range high, where we traded down under and got back to the range lows around this 37k area. Then we had here like a deviation to the 48k area, and then the next leg lower down occurred. So I was vocally bearish on my last video. So I was saying to you, hey guys, this 44, mid 44, higher 44 area is more than not a resistance, and I didn't position myself on a short for this trade. It would have been a very nice trade, but I didn't take this one. So yeah, that's life. But I got the long side, not on Bitcoin, on two altcoins. I will talk about that later. But what we can see is that Bitcoin gave a nice reaction around the mid-range, a bit lower of the mid-range of this higher composite area. So what many investors are now looking on crypto is that on the CME exchange there seems to be, or there is a gap around this 40,000 and 39,500 area. So there is like a speculation that we could see here a gap fill over the next days or weeks, and then the price action will lean towards higher or lower. Nah, just a joke. I think we are going higher, but till now I'm a bit more bearish than I was on my last streams. On Bitcoin, on altcoins, there is another. There I have another outlook for that. So that are my thoughts on Bitcoin. Maybe we get to that 40, 39, 500 area, and if we go through this area and don't see any reaction on that CME gap that I showed you now, then I think we are heading around this 37 area, and this would be a very nice buy the dip opportunity for your altcoins. So yeah, yesterday there was this breakdown from 43 to 41, mid 41s, and altcoins bleeded a lot. So you saw on most altcoins a minus 10% move, minus 15% move. So now you're seeing that the Bitcoin to altcoin rotation is taking place. So now let's go on to my trades that I took this week. I have one trade. It's here my Ethereum long that I took. So I was looking for a supply area on Ethereum, and I came to the conclusion that this 2160 area seems to be, from a price action perspective, not that bad. So as we saw here, this reaction We came here to this area, and then we saw a massive absorption from the buyers, or quite massive absorption. So now we came back here to this area, and after that we got back above this. We got above this 2,300 level. So what I'm currently looking at, and this is not, I don't like this for my trade that I currently having, so I put my stop loss on my entry. It's now a risk-free trade. The market structure on the lower time frame looks like it's shifting from a bullish trend now to a bearish one, but this is no cause of concern because the higher time frame outlook is still very, very bullish. So yeah, that's my Ethereum trade. I think I will take profit around this $2,500 area. It's confluent with here this resistance, this support zone that we saw here on the range low of the January till May range that we saw on Ethereum. So the January 2022 to May range was from 2,500 to 3,200. So if we get above those 2,500, then we have the possibility on Ethereum to go to that 3,200 level with with no problem. But till then, I will just look and observe on the charts. So I would like to take here 50% of the profits, then look at the other reaction from Ethereum. If we see a massive reaction here, and we see those exhaustion wicks, so if we reverse the chart here, maybe there is a good example here. We have this exhaustion wicks here on April, then I think I will close most of my long. But if we see quite aggressive buyers, then I would like to take to add to my position. So then I think we are going to that $3,200 level on Ethereum. That would be very, very bullish for all altcoins. Then we could maybe see a decent altcoin rally. So yeah, another long that I took, this is a low leverage long that I'm looking now, is on Ape. The Ape chart looks really fucked, but on those fucked charts there lies more often than not an opportunity. So I decided to take here a bigger swing long, so for a 136% move. I'm looking to compound my position. So I'm using now the yearly VWAP as my take, so the value area high of my yearly VWAP for the take profit zone. So for my first take profit, then maybe we could get here to this 466 area. So I'm very bullish on this coin. I am adding to my position. I would like to get a decent position size on that, because I think the opportunity on this coin is massive. So yes, these are the trades that I have now currently on. Ape looks very, very promising, and I think I will hold it for the next weeks. So one thing I would like just to mention before, I forgot to mention the forex or the macro outlook for the last week. So we had on Wednesday the FOMC statement, where Jay Powell just said that there are rate cuts planned for the next year. So they told us that there will be 3 rate cuts. The market is now pricing in 6 rate cuts, so the market is now getting really bullish. And we also saw a new all-time high on the Nasdaq. So yeah, TradeFi is looking very good, not that bad. So here new all-time high for your tech companies. So yes, it looks very, very good. Dollar also had a small breakdown since the FOMC, or what means a small breakdown. It's like a 3-4% move. Yeah, 2.5% move. It's a bigger move for the dollar. So yeah, these are now my current thoughts on the market, and I would like to make next week another market review, like around Wednesday, Thursday, and would like to look at the markets and maybe to take a trade there. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Well, that was my keys. Just leave a comment down under the comment section, and I all wish you a very nice week ahead, and don't work that much. I also think that the volatility will decrease over the next weeks, since we are getting now to the Christmas time and the institutions are closed. So take the time off of your charts, just look occasionally on the charts and have fun with your friends and family. So that said, I will all wish you a very nice week ahead, and see you on the next market review. Bye.